What if your waxing experience could be pain-free? Many avoid at-home waxing over discomfort. Yet, the problem often lies in the technique. Welcome to MTH Health. We merge self-care with proven, scientific methods. In this masterclass, you'll discover a structured approach for consistent, safe results. Let's begin with your tools. Beginners often make mistakes here. They frequently choose the wrong wax type. For safe, effective waxing, use hard wax. It grips hair, not skin. This reduces irritation and preserves your skin barrier. Many don't know this, which leads to inconsistent results. You'll also need a light pre-wax oil. This creates a protective layer. It ensures the wax works precisely, without pulling on your skin. Simple formulations are best, especially for sensitive areas. Preparation is crucial for comfort. If you're tense, waxing will feel more uncomfortable. Take a moment to relax. Inhale slowly, hold, and exhale. Repeat this a few times. This step can transform your experience. Next, hair length matters. Aim for about a 1/4 inch. If it's too short, the wax won't grip. If it's too long, sensitivity increases. Getting this right ensures smoother results. Now, apply the wax. Use firm, even pressure in the direction of hair growth. You're not just spreading the wax, but coating every hair evenly. Here's a pro tip: press the wax down slightly before it sets. This improves grip for cleaner removal. Leave a slightly thicker edge for better control. Professionals prioritize control over force. Use your free hand to hold your skin in place. This improves efficiency during hair removal. When removing wax, keep the motion low and controlled. Smooth, confident movements work best. If you feel discomfort, pause. Adjust the angle. It can make a huge difference. Post-wax care matters too. Avoid heavy products right after waxing. Instead, opt for something soothing like pure aloe. This reduces redness and aids recovery. Supporting your skin ensures faster healing and better overall health. At this point, waxing should feel predictable and manageable. You've learned a structured, professional method for at-home waxing. It saves time, reduces stress, and protects your skin. Discover step-by-step tips for pain-free, professional at-home waxing. It's an easy guide for your next session, eliminating guesswork. Subscribe if you prioritize precision in your self-care journey. Here, we focus on getting it right.